Hi, it's Daniel. Today I'm taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, Galaxy S21 Plus 5G, and Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, made for the epic and everyday. I'm excited to unbox the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G and share some features and specs from the S21 5G and S21 Plus 5G. Here we have the latest in the S series from Samsung. As we remove the lid, we see the phone. Let's move that aside for now. Here we have a 5G SIM card and a box that houses the SIM card tray tool, Let's Get Started guide, AT&T personal cloud information, terms and conditions, and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So let's take a closer look at the S21 Ultra 5G. The phone design is stunning with a modern haze finish and an all-new integrated camera design. The S21 Ultra 5G comes in Phantom Black that I have here, as well as Phantom Silver. There's also a full palette of striking colors in the S21 5G and S21 Plus 5G series. Starting on the back of the device, you can see the beautiful metal camera design. You have 4 lenses, the 108 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel dual telephoto lenses, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. The S21 5G and S21 Plus 5G have the same camera design, though the cameras are slightly smaller in size. Moving down to the bottom of the device, there's a SIM card tray, USB-C port, and a speaker. On the right side of the device is the power button and volume up and down key, and on top are 2 microphones. On the front is the 40 megapixel front-facing camera on the S21 Ultra 5G and a 10 megapixel front-facing camera on the S21 5G and S21 Plus 5G. So, powering it up. The S21 Ultra 5G has a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display. And if you're looking for some crazy high contrast ratio and an adaptive display, the Galaxy S21 series automatically adjusts to 120 Hz, even at max resolution, which is designed to help save your battery life. With slightly smaller screen sizes, the S21 5G has the 6.2-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and the S21 Plus 5G has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x display. Plus, with Eye Comfort Shield, you'll get intelligent blue light management that automatically adjusts based on the time to help keep your eyes happy. There's a hyper-fast processor which is great for multitasking and gaming, and a large intelligent battery that intuitively manages your usage. The camera is full of new features. You have your 108 megapixel wide, dual telephoto lenses, and ultra-wide lenses. As you can see, here's the 100 times space zoom to capture faraway moments. You can tap to zoom or by pinching your screen. And the new zoom lock feature helps keep your subject centered. Pull epic stills straight from your 8K video with 8K snap action. And get creative with Director's View, which lets you switch camera angles in real time, pick and choose thumbnails, and record both the front and rear facing cameras simultaneously. Single Take AI lets you create short and shareable GIFs, movies, and more all in one take. Plus, there's a unique photo trick that lets you remove unwanted people or objects from your photos. Once you take a photo, you can enable Object Eraser to select unwanted objects in your frame and remove them. Get creative and stay connected with AT&T 5G, and do it your way with Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, Samsung S21 Plus 5G, and S21 Ultra 5G. Thanks for watching. See you next time.